Utopia Industries, one of Pakistan's largest industrial groups and the fifth largest seller on Amazon, continues to set benchmarks in innovation and global excellence. With a strong presence in Karachi, Utopia has become the biggest customer of sound machinery in Pakistan, powering its production with world-class technology. Sound Machinery, founded in 1955, stands as a pioneer in plastics technology, delivering high-speed and reliable injection molding solutions trusted worldwide. Supporting this journey, DgT&x Machinery proudly serves as Pakistan's trusted and largest supplier of sound, bringing the same innovative technology to industries nationwide. Now, this collaboration comes to life at the 3P Pakistan International Exhibition 2025. From September 10th to 12th at the Karachi Expo Center, witness the future of plastics, printing, and packaging. For more details, contact 0310-4446434.